Phil and Dennis, Owen and Jake be thinking about it. Jason and Tom are working with 10 head.
Are we clear?
I think instead of indenting, I think you actually advanced it one more so you're back up on shutter. But I think, oh, there you are. You're on the return now. Hit the indent. Okay, yeah, you're done.
Flags up. 1, 1, 1.
On the other camera, the one that's tracking right now, which way could I push the arrow to help me?
Hey, 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 hey! Stay with it. Hey, 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 hey! Two left on top. Bring him around. Hey, 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 hey!
Menu still hasn't cleared on the other camera.
3 on the right.
Are we still sitting on the return?
6.
Negative, we're sitting here.
4.
Now let's see if it expires. So you're thinking down on the other camera?
Hey!
Yeah, I don't know. You're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. Some of the time it looks good, and then some of the time the rider's low in the frame, and then other times, it's pointing at the ground. So I don't know what to tell you, Brent.
Get
Left and right.
Time 4. Giving them a total of 14 head
On the rider,
at a 174